Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. Just a quick little video. Went out camping over the weekend and I had turned on my hot water tank. Ran for about 10 minutes and then it went into an error code. So the error code triggered me to go outside and take a look, and what do you know? Water was leaking out of the high pressure valve. I knew this was going to go bad at some point in time. Just a matter of when. Unfortunately, it was on the camping trip and not when I was using it in the driveway. Yeah, but that's the way it is. So just a quick video, something to take note: if your high pressure release valve does fail, be sure you get the right one, and the key is down here, this opening. I went out to Amazon, see if I could find a replacement. And when I googled the numbers here on it, which were the 1XL4M7, this is what came up. Camco's model 10473. But as you can see here, this is a 3/4 inch opening, MPT. That 3/4 inch is down here. This is too large for the Atwood tank that I have. This may be good for the newer tanks, but this is a 2002-2003 Atwood, and this is too big. 3/4 inch is too big. What you need to find is this. This is a 1/2 inch. Same thing in a 1/2 inch. If you search for Atwood hot water release or relief valve on Amazon, is how I found this. I had to put in the keyword of Atwood, and then I found the 1/2 inch. So just a little tip here, make sure you have the right size opening for your installation. And the last thing here was, this is what worked the best. You need something with some jaws that could get on there and turn it, and it really was only on there about I'd say a full turn and a half. It really wasn't on that tight. So same thing with the new one. You can see it only used 2 rounds of threads, and that was the same with the new one. It's about the same. So sealed up good. Found the exact same replacement. Just be sure you find the 1/2 inch opening if you have an older Atwood. So something to check out. Alright, thanks for stopping on this one. More to come. See you on the next one.